You guys are in for a treat. She thinks I'm talking to her. I got a shipment. I'm excited. This is Kudarat. Hope I'm saying that right. This is straight from Texas. Priority mail, 2-day shipping. You know how it goes. And so I have no idea what's in store, but I'm excited. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Cause you know. Okay. Oh, we want some plate. Comes like this. I just got another box inside. This feels like Christmas. Cool. Okay, so here we go. I'm definitely gonna use this box to recycle because this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I got a lot of stuff. Okay, so first things first, little card. What's in your skincare? It says everything that's on here. These are gluten-free. Super excited that any moisturizers or anything I'm able to use, like have Nathan use. So let's just dive right in. Gluten is the only scientifically proven cause of autoimmune disease, which affects 3 times as many women as men. Gluten leads to visible signs of aging, including wrinkles, dark circles, puffy eyes, and lost elasticity. Over 70% of what you put on your skin gets absorbed through your skin's pores and directly into your bloodstream. They were featured in the Huffington Post, and I will have a code for you guys for 25% off, so stay tuned for that. This is the 100% gluten-free Revitalizing Moisturizer. This is the first thing we're going to unbox right now, and I do have a very, very light weight foundation on, so I can definitely, ooh, look at this packaging. Gorgeous. Wow. Uh-oh. Come here. You want to say hi to everybody? What are you doing? What are you doing? Where's my poochie? Okay. Okay. She knows that there's foods in the oven. It's cooking. And she wants some foods. Poocha, poocha, poocha. Where's all your toys? You're gonna bite Mama? No, that was a mistake. Oh, I still love you, Poopy. Oh, I know you're my poocha. You're my big poochie. Yes, I love you, poochie. Poochie, poochie, poochie. Poochie, poochie, poochie. You want to dance with Mama? No? Okay. So this is the moisturizer. Really excited to try this. Massage on into clean face and neck every morning. I can try a little bit of this on my neck. Ooh, look how it comes out. Beautiful. What? There's nothing up there for you. Oh, you want your toy? So you can go over there. Oh, wow. This smells amazing. There's no parabens, sulfates, PEGs, chemicals, or artificial colors. Cruelty-free. I love, 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 love this so far. Sorry, Obi's banging around. This is pumpkin spiced cider body lotion. I really wanted to try this, so I'm super, super excited to try this out. Fall in love with this aromatic blend of pumpkin, cinnamon, and apple cider. The luxurious mix of moisturizing organic shea butter, sweet almond oil, and olive extract makes this lightweight lotion deeply renewing, leaving your skin soft and smooth. Cozy up with this delicious autumn infusion for the ultimate indulgence. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I mean, I love skincare, clearly. Oh my God, it smells like pumpkins. Oh, love this. I'm back. This is just more than amazing. I'm so excited to be using this on my trip. I'm totally taking it with me. Oh, I've been waiting for this. Ooh, it kind of opened. Oh, thank God it got here and I opened it when I did, but you can tell some leaked out. Yikes. This is the body wash, and it is a winter pear berry. And I just ran out of like clean body wash, so I'm so stoked to try this tonight. Oh my God. It smells like bubblegum. It does smell like pear. Oh my God, it's so sweet. Coconut, olive oil, jojoba. Oh my God. Certified organic. Love. Okay, then we have Restorative Eye Cream. I actually needed a new eye cream, not gonna lie. I've been neglecting my under eyes a little bit, which I know, tis this on me, but hey, you know, we get busy, and I forgot to order more from Beauty Counter. Restorative Eye Cream. Look at the packaging though. I mean, this stuff is absolutely beautiful. And I love that it has a cap that really stays on tight because I lose these all the time. And what the heck, let's give it a try. I love that this is all 100% gluten-free. This is the face serum. Oh my God, I love face serums, you guys. I mean, who doesn't, right? This is so amazing to put on right before a moisturizer, so make sure that that's what you're doing. You're letting it soak into your skin. And this is a little stuck here. Uh-oh, this one kind of opened a little bit too. But that's okay because I got the majority of it in there. But you can see that it either, I mean, the box did look a little banged up, so that sucks. I know this time of year they have so much going on. This is a face wash, so it's a cucumber and green tea. You know what's weird is that there's a cap on this. So maybe oh no. So I was wondering, there is a seal protector on it, but the seal broke. I think this hit and it opened. Let me look at this one. Same, oh, this one didn't have the protector on it. And let's look at the face serum and see if this one does. Make sure this one's okay. So I guess the eye cream, I'm assuming, looks a lot like this serum. Yes. So the eye cream is like this size, a little bit smaller, and then this is the skin cream. And you can shop online at kudaratskincare.com. And it's made in the US, of course. And this one looks okay. Ooh, nope, this one too. It has a little bit of a broken. Again, these all smell really, really good. Not gonna lie. So beautiful. Ooh, that is just delightful. I mean, these smell so good. Excited, 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 more excited, like super, super stoked to get all of these goodies so quickly too. I just ordered like 3 days ago. And so they got here really fast, and for holiday season, I mean, they definitely did good on that. So I'm excited to put these two in my shower right now and go use them, and also finish off with the body lotion. I love that there's a pump on the top of this so that you're not pouring out a bottle or dipping your hand in. I know that there's a time and a place for all of them, but I really do appreciate these. And hopefully I can recycle these bottles and make some lotions and potions for my friends and family. And I hope that you guys enjoyed that and experienced that with me. And I wish you were here to smell all the delicious scents, all the natural scents. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much for stopping by. I will be bringing this amazing brand onto my podcast, the Clean Beauty Podcast, very soon. So make sure you go over to iTunes or Spotify or Stitcher or wherever you listen to your podcast and download it, subscribe, and make sure that you leave a review. Download a few of your episodes that you're interested in listening to. Give it a listen, share a review, and post on your Instagram stories so that I can repost your feedback, whether it's good or constructive. I love it all, and I love improving in all aspects of my life. So I appreciate every single drop and word of feedback from everybody, and I'm so excited to continue on this journey. Podcasting is super new for me, so this is about the 10th brand I'm bringing on, but I really aligned with their mission. Struggling with living with someone who struggles with a gluten allergy, a very serious, it's like celiac disease, changed everything for me. And I think that you know, I wasn't even really aware of what gluten was before. And I think that now my life is much cleaner because I'm not eating so much wheat and all of that. And we have alternatives. You know, my favorite food is pizza / pasta. So that's a lot of wheat. So we have a lot of clean alternatives that we buy from Whole Foods and Trader Joe's. And I've also tried implementing the skincare in because Nathan uses my products or uses things in the bathroom, and I want him to feel like he doesn't have to think twice about what he's using as well. And I think it's so important. And gluten's an issue for a reason, and he actually developed it over the course of his lifetime. He grew up and did not have any allergy sensitivity to gluten, and then once he was in college, he started noticing blood in his stool, which sent him to the doctor, and they discovered he had a celiac disease. And so when we met, actually the first dish we ever ordered together was, I made sure when we were at Katsuya that it was gluten-free, and I asked them to make sure it was gluten-free so that we could share. And he said that's when he fell in love with me. So I really, really believe in this brand's mission and products, and I can't wait to try all of them. So thank you so much, and make sure you go support them. And if you're interested in or have any questions, if I skipped over something, be sure to comment below, and I'll talk to you guys soon.